In this modern-day technology, the automotive systems have become more complex, with intertwined internal components that propels our vehicles to drive faster, shift faster. The introduction of ECM and different control module has become a game changer that relies on a piece of component that actuate these functions. These systems have arrays of sensors and actuators that transforms our automotive systems into incredible piece of engineering. We know cars don't last forever, however our caring habits towards these machines can help prolong their lifespan. The opposite happens the other way around. Hello, I am Dr. Cool Auto Fix, and I'm here to walk you through the top 15 common habits and mistakes that can severely damage your car over time. While our cars are built to last, some seemingly harmless behaviors can end up costing us big. Let's dive into these common pitfalls and talk about how to avoid them to keep your car running smoothly and efficiently. 1. Ignoring routine maintenance. Skipping regular maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks can cause significant damage over time. Without fresh oil, your engine's parts can grind against each other, increasing friction and wearing them out prematurely. Similarly, unbalanced tires can lead to uneven wear and ultimately compromise your safety on the road. Stay on top of your car's maintenance schedule to prevent costly repairs down the road. 2. Revving a cold engine. When you start your car, especially in colder weather, it's best to let it idle for a bit before you drive off. Revving a cold engine forces the parts to work before the oil has fully circulated, increasing wear on engine components. Just a minute or two of warm-up time will allow the oil to coat moving parts properly and reduce wear. 3. Riding the clutch. For those who drive a manual transmission, resting your foot on the clutch pedal while driving can wear down the clutch prematurely. It creates constant pressure on the mechanism, causing the clutch discs to wear out much faster than it should. Instead, keep your foot off the clutch when you're not actively using it. 4. Neglecting fluid levels. Fluids are your car's lifeblood, and neglecting them can be catastrophic. From transmission fluid to coolant, every fluid plays a role in keeping your car's systems functioning smoothly. Check and top off fluids regularly, and keep an eye out for any leaks. Even a small leak, if ignored, can lead to expensive repairs. 5. Ignoring warning lights. Those pesky dashboard lights are easy to ignore, but they're there for a reason. If your check engine light or other warning indicators are on, it's your car's way of telling you something is wrong. Ignoring these lights can lead to minor issues snowballing into major repairs. Always investigate the cause of any warning light as soon as possible. 6. Overloading your vehicle. Every car has a maximum weight limit, and overloading it can put excess strain on the suspension, brakes, and even the engine. Constantly overloading your vehicle can lead to premature wear on these components. Stick to the manufacturer's recommended weight limits to prevent unnecessary wear. 7. Driving on low fuel. Driving with low fuel might save you a few trips to the gas station, but it can damage your car in the long run. The fuel pump relies on gas to keep it cool, and when the tank is almost empty, the pump has to work harder. Running on low fuel frequently can cause your fuel pump to wear out prematurely. 8. Abruptly starting and stopping. Accelerating too quickly and braking harshly can take a toll on your engine and brake components. Abrupt starts and stops cause excessive wear on brake pads, rotors, and engine mounts. Driving smoothly not only saves fuel but also keeps your car's parts in better condition. 9. Skipping tire maintenance. Tires are the only part of your car that touches the road, so they deserve proper care. Failing to rotate, balance, and align your tires can lead to uneven wear and make your car harder to handle. Check tire pressure regularly and ensure your tires are rotated and balanced to extend their lifespan and improve safety. Aside leading to tire uneven wears, the vibration that erupts from these tires can damage your transmission system internal components or engine. 10. Using the wrong fuel. Putting the wrong type of fuel in your car can be disastrous. If your vehicle requires premium fuel and you use regular instead, it can lead to knocking or even damage the engine over time. Always use the fuel type recommended by your car's manufacturer to keep it running smoothly. 11. Ignoring rust and corrosion. Rust can eat away at your car's body and components, leading to structural weakness and expensive repairs. Regularly washing your car, especially in winter when salt from the road can lead to rust, can help prevent corrosion. Rust-proofing treatments are also a great investment to protect your car's exterior and undercarriage. 12. Driving your car when it's faulty. Something of note: some folks do a lot of time trying to buy time that ends up creating more problems that leads to serious damage done to the engine. If you are hearing an odd sounds from your engine or car upon startup, it's a call to concern that needs urgent attention to get the problem resolved. If you are low in funds, it's best not to drive the car so as not to worsen the problem. If you noticed a problem within the transmission system or other system, for instance when you noticed that your motor oil level is lower than recommended, topping off your motor oil will be more money saving than driving your car that in that condition, as it could lead to oil starvation that will destroy your engine. Another factors is noticing leaks in your transmission system or AC. If you fail to address these problems and proceed to drive your car, will subsequently result into transmission system failure and AC compressor failure, which will be expensive to fix than topping off the transmission fluid or topping off oil in your AC system. 13. Using the wrong oil or skipping oil changes. Using the wrong type of oil can be just as harmful as skipping oil changes altogether. The oil in your engine is carefully formulated to match the needs of your specific vehicle. Always use the manufacturer recommended oil type and change it on schedule to keep your engine running smoothly. Failure to replace your motor oil when due will result into oil molecules breakdown, resulting into sludge buildup. This will subsequently damage your engine, resulting into shorter lifespan of your car engine. 14. Ignoring the suspension. Your car's suspension system is critical for both comfort and safety. Ignoring issues like worn-out shocks, struts, or ball joints can lead to a rough ride and even unsafe handling. Regularly check your suspension system for signs of wear, especially if you notice a decrease in ride quality or hear unusual noises. 15. Not warming up your car in cold weather and freezing temperatures. Starting and driving your car immediately can cause engine components to work harder than they should. Cold oil takes longer to circulate, and driving right away can lead to increased friction. Giving your car a few minutes to warm up in winter will protect the engine and prolong its life. By being mindful of these common mistakes, you'll keep your car in top condition and avoid costly repairs. Regular maintenance, cautious driving habits, and attention to your vehicle's needs will not only keep your car running smoothly but also help it last longer. Safe driving and happy motoring from Dr. Cool Auto Fix.